Hi, this is Catherine from the QuickBooks team. Books Close is a new feature available in Intuit Accountant Suite that helps you track and complete your monthly close process for all your clients in one place. In this video, we'll walk through the transaction review process. Transaction review helps you to check transactions that need to be categorized, spot anomalies, and fix coding errors. To get started, open the Books Close window. Select Open File Review for the client and closing period you want to review. Then choose the Transaction Review section. Here you'll see everything you need to review and how many transactions need to be reviewed before closing the books for that period. This list can include uncategorized transactions, transactions without payees, unapplied payments, and more. Select any check to view the transactions that need attention. The date filter is defaulted to the close period, but you can customize it as needed. Select Edit Threshold to customize the threshold for transactions greater than 2,500 check. Select Edit Exclusions to pick the transaction types, payees, or categories you want to exclude from the anomaly check for this client's closing period. When you complete all transactions within a check, you can update the status of that task like this. Now you know how to use Transaction Review inside the Books Close feature.